Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find and remove unused plugins from your WordPress site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to declutter your site, boost your speed, and keep things locked down against potential threats. Sometimes we install plugins for a quick fix or a test, then forget about them, but leaving unused plugins can actually slow down your site and make it vulnerable. So let's dig right in and clean things up. First up, we'll tackle the easiest part, identifying and removing inactive plugins. These are plugins you've installed before but aren't currently running. Even though they're not active, they still sit on your server and can be a target for hackers. Plus, they just take up unnecessary space. So let's clear those out. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. That's your site's control panel. On the left sidebar, there's a section called Plugins. Go ahead and click on Installed Plugins. Now at the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. All active, inactive, and sometimes a few more. Click right on the inactive tab. This immediately filters your list so you're only seeing plugins that aren't running. Now, before you remove anything, just take a quick look to make sure you recognize what's there. Sometimes plugins get deactivated because they conflict with others or because you've switched to a different tool. For each plugin you know you don't need, simply click the delete link you'll see right below the plugin's name. WordPress will pop up a confirmation window. Just click OK and that's it. The plugin and its files will be removed. This part is usually quick, but if you have a lot of plugins, take your time. No need to rush. Accuracy is key here. Let's move on to the next step, finding redundant active plugins. This part is a little trickier because an active plugin isn't always doing something you can spot easily. Sometimes plugins do their work behind the scenes, and you might not realize they're unnecessary. The safest way to test is to use a staging site, basically, a private copy of your website where you can experiment without affecting your real visitors. If you're not sure how to set one up, your hosting provider often has tools, or you can use popular plugins like WP Staging. Before you make any changes, though, always back up everything, your files, your database, the whole website. Trust me, you do not want to learn this lesson the hard way. Once you're backed up, head to your installed plugins list again. Find any plugin you're not sure about, and this time, instead of deleting it, click Deactivate. Don't worry, this doesn't erase anything, it just stops the plugin from running. Now go through your site and check carefully. Look at your homepage, blog posts, contact forms, galleries, admin settings, anywhere that plugin might have touched. If everything seems to be working just fine, you probably don't need that plugin. Head back to the plugins page and hit delete. If you do notice something broke or disappeared, just reactivate the plugin and test the next one on your list. Sometimes it takes a little patience, but you'll only need to do this once, and it's worth it for a faster, safer site. And there you have it, a cleaner, leaner WordPress website. Removing unused plugins is one of those habits that pays off every time. Better speed, tighter security, and fewer headaches down the road. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to leave a comment below with any questions. Subscribe so you'll never miss another tip, and I'll see you in the next video.